The ED is a state of male disorder, where a man cannot get hard on during intercourse. The men in the 30s having ED will be a serious issue in their marital life. There will be infertility issue, depression, and adultery. The erectile dysfunction symptoms at 30 and the 5 yoga poses to stay hard longer are discussed below in this article. The men suffering from ED can consume the Mast Mood capsules as the best weak erection cure herbal treatment from home. Symptoms of impotent husband in his 30s. The erectile dysfunction symptoms at 30 are as follows. A man will not get hard on at the needed time. A man may have a weak or soft erection and unable to penetrate into the vaginal value. A man cannot hold his pineal stiffness for the full copulation time. A man cannot ejaculate or reach the climax while in lovemaking. A man may not able to get arousal during the intimacy with his partner. If your man makes excuses for making love, he may suffer from ED. You can check for the above symptoms and take the weak erection cure herbal treatment at home. Best Yogasanas for male impotency. Yoga is the ancient art of well-being. There are special yoga poses for male wellness too. The 5 yoga poses to stay hard longer are as follows. Ardha Matsyendrasana, Paschimottanasana, Bhavanamutasana, Siddhasana, Uttanpadasana. You must do the above yoga poses early in the morning. You must do them in the empty stomach too. What is the main cause of erectile dysfunction? A man in his 30s may consume tobacco products, drink alcohol on the weekends and consume a lot of junk foods. This will affect his health. The ED can also cause due to spinal injury. The ED is prominent to see in a man suffering from diabetes and hypertension. It is advisable to consume the Mast Mood capsules as the 100% safe weak erection cure herbal treatment at home. The erectile dysfunction symptoms at 30 are reversible. You can do the above mentioned 5 yoga poses to stay hard longer daily. How to cure erectile dysfunction at home. The weak erection cure herbal treatment may take 12 to 16 weeks in a course. A man with the ED problem must consume the Mast Mood capsules daily after breakfast and dinner. You can consume this herbal ED pill with water or milk. The erectile dysfunction symptoms at May 30th differ with men. Yet all men suffering from ED can do the above mentioned 5 yoga poses to stay hard longer from home. It is advisable to stop smoking, drinking alcohol, and eating junk foods while taking this herbal remedy to curb impotence. Mast Mood capsules are specially meant to cure erectile dysfunction symptoms at 30. This herbal aphrodisiac product is available online as non-prescription remedies. You can find more details about Mast Mood capsules at naturogain.com.